So we're back at Cotton Way. Most of the decorating has been done, as you can see, so that's actually really good decorating. Yeah, it's really good paintwork, really good colour. So kitchen's been ordered, painting inside, more or less been done. So when the kitchen comes, I'll just replace that. I think they'll start on the door next week as well. All the painting in here has been done. Again, really good result. So the property just looks completely different once there's been a new lick of paint throughout. And then just imagine that being taken with just clean grey carpets all the way through. Looks like a completely different property. So the final bits are the carpets will go up, come off in a few days so that they can paint all the skirting boards, and then they'll paint the door at the same time. Oh, sorry, Colleen, I'm just gonna walk past you. Thank you. And upstairs bedroom painting again has been done. So that's pretty much done. It's a nice new boiler, which is always good. So then, once all that's done, then I'll move on to the bathroom. Again, the paintwork in this room has been done as well. And then they'll finish off another coating in here, and then sort out this bathroom. Yeah, pretty straightforward, I think. With this one, there's not a lot to do. Oh, and obviously change all the electrical switches as well to brush chrome, and then touch up the paintwork after that. So it's always best to do it now. All right, thank you.